What's up? Yeah, I wanted to come and give y'all a real quick update because I have a lot of y'all that are following me on YouTube. Well, a good amount of y'all that do at least contact me from YouTube. Let me say that. And y'all contact me on Facebook. Sometimes I do miss those messages, but I really thank y'all for actually contacting me. And I want to let y'all know that I am currently working on a starter package for y'all. I'm taking it a step at a time, and in those packages I'm going to have a little bit of detail. I want to see how that go, but the starter package that I do have for y'all, that I'm the first one is getting shipped out today. She reached out to me. Another person from YouTube came and reached out to me on my personal page, so I got that kit for you. I got it. Okay, so I'm just putting some little personal touches on it, and that's getting shipped out, and that is to make a 14 karat gold beaded bracelet. So you'll get your tools that come with that. You'll get some beads, and you'll get some wire. What else? And you probably get something else in there, but anyway, I did not put a lot of beads in there because we don't even know if you're going to really like it, right? So you don't want to purchase all of that gold, which is not cheap, and then don't like it, or it's too tedious for you. So we got to make sure that this is something that you want to do, that you are interested in doing. So I do got that for you. Okay, after that, then we're gonna work on some classes and keep this movement going. All right, talk to y'all later, beaters.